Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy stated that the country is prepared to use American Tomahawk cruise missiles exclusively against military installations if Washington approves their transfer. He stated that this would be a response to Kyiv's requests for additional military assistance to strengthen its defense. Zelenskyy emphasized that the missiles would not be aimed at Russian civilians if the United States agreed to the delivery. This statement came after his second phone call with U.S. President Donald Trump in 2 days, which lasted about half an hour. During the conversation, the two politicians discussed the prospects of Kyiv receiving Tomahawk missiles with a range of up to 2,500 kilometers. Axios previously reported that Trump had almost made a decision on the matter but wanted to clarify the missiles' intended purpose to avoid escalation. The Kremlin viewed the Tomahawk missile launch as a serious escalation of tensions, warning of possible retaliatory measures.